Good day everyone! Today we will show you how to make invisible cloth in Adobe Photoshop. First, open the Adobe Photoshop CS6. Click the File category and find Open. Find and insert the background picture. Crop the picture and set in size in 1920 by 1080. Set the name of the background picture to the layer thumbnail. Go to the File category and select Place to insert the picture of the t-shirt. Resize the picture with using Ctrl-T. Make sure that each sides of the photo is equal. After that, right-click the Quick Selection, then select the Magic Wand tool. Using the Magic Wand tool, click into the background picture of the t-shirt. Next, add layer mask and Ctrl-I to get back the original color of the t-shirt. Select the Quick Selection and apply it at least small part of the t-shirt. When the t-shirt is already selected, do Alt Backspace. Go to the original t-shirt and do the Ctrl-J for the original t-shirt will be copied to another layer. After this, turn off the eye icon of the copied t-shirt and go back to the layer mask to make sure that the t-shirt will turn into invisible setup. Select the brush tool placed in the left side of the Photoshop, wherein the list of different tools are also placed in here. After selecting the brush tool, make sure that the background color is black, then right-click in the picture and set the hardness to 100% and size to 200px, but this is based on what size do you prefer. After this, start erasing and make the thin line cleared in the outline of the t-shirt and rename it for easy identification of the layer. Change the color of the t-shirt to black and white by using Ctrl-Shift-U. Make sure that the color of the t-shirt is black and white. Go to the blend mode and change it to overlay. Select the adjustment layer at the bottom part of the Photoshop and select levels. After selecting the levels, turn on the clipping mask and adjust the darkness to 0.75 and the highlights to 231. For the last touch, to remove the excess white marks around the t-shirt, hold the Ctrl key and make sure to click on the t-shirt thumbnail layer for this to be selected. After that, go to the Select and choose Modify, then Contract and change the pixel to 2 and go to Select again and choose Inverse and select Delete key. Remove the selection, go to Select, Category and choose Deselect. To save it, go to the file and find Save As, then the file name and select Save. Finally, here is the outcome of our invisible cloth tutorial. We hope that you learned a lot from us. See you on our next tutorial. Bye!